In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Whether you find the bright screens of your Office applications too harsh on your eyes or simply prefer a darker aesthetic, following these steps will help you switch to a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's begin by launching the Office application of your choice. This could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint depending on where you want to change the theme. Once you're in the application, you'll want to navigate to the File tab, which you can typically find in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a menu with several options. You're going to want to scroll down and select Account. After you click Account, you'll be presented with various details about your Office application, including product information and updates. Among these options, you're looking for the Office theme. This is where you can modify how the interface of your application appears. Finding this option is key to accessing the different display themes available to you. Now that you've located the Office theme section, it's time to make your selection. You'll see a drop-down menu, click on it and you'll find a list of themes. If you're aiming for a true dark mode experience, you'll want to choose black. This will provide the darkest background available and is excellent for reducing glare and making bright text stand out. Alternatively, if you prefer a less extreme option, you might select dark grey. This offers a subtler contrast, perfect for those who like a softer separation between text and background. After you've made your selection, the changes should take effect immediately. You'll notice that your Office application's appearance shifts to the theme you've chosen, thereby reducing strain on your eyes, especially in low light environments. Please note that if you use other Office applications, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. Dark mode settings do not automatically apply across all applications simultaneously, so you'll want to ensure you've customized the theme for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint individually to enjoy a consistent look across your Office suite. And there you have it. Activating dark mode is as straightforward as that. Adjusting the theme to your preference not only enhances the aesthetic, but can also provide a more comfortable working environment. If you found this guide helpful, remember to implement these changes in each Office app you use frequently. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new, improved Office experience.